Let us go through the Qlik Cloud Analytics interface. Qlik Cloud introduces activity centers. Activity centers provide a user experience depending on the role in Qlik Cloud. At the top left corner of the page, click on the green square to show the navigation pane. In the navigation pane, we can see the Insights and Analytics Activity Centers. These activity centers replace the previous Qlik Cloud Analytics Hub. Let's first go through the Insights Activity Center. This provides options for consuming apps and other analytic content. This activity center is designed to explore published apps and objects. It offers a focused and curated experience for analysts exploring analytic content. Here's the home. Use it to view various content, including your apps, scripts, charts, and notes. Then Favorites, which contains all the content you have favorited. Only you can view your favorites. Then we have Collections, which enable you to group content such as apps, charts, notes, and links. Lastly, we have Browse, where you can access the content available to you. In Browse, you can view the apps and spaces available to you. Let's explore the Browse page. Here, you can explore all the content available to you. You can filter them by name. You may also choose to browse the contents from specific spaces. Spaces are sections in Qlik Cloud used to both collaboratively create apps and control access to apps. There are 3 types of spaces. Personal space, your own private work area. This workspace is not shared with other users. Only you can access all the apps in your personal space. Then Shared Spaces. This space is used to develop apps collaboratively with a team or with other users who have access to the space or app. Lastly, Managed Space. This space has stricter access controls because it is often used for published or productionized apps. Only users who are targeted to consume the apps have access here. Next, you may drill down by choosing the types you want to explore. In the Types dropdown, we can see options like Charts, Notes, Links, and Assistants. Clicking the Filter button displays a left side panel containing the same filters here at the top, just presented vertically. Next, Analytics Activity Center. The Analytics Activity Center is intended mainly for development. It contains some of the sections we have seen in the Insights Activity Center, such as Home, Favorites, Collections, and new ones such as Create, Catalog, Alerts, and Subscriptions. The Analytics Activity Center also includes mini-homes for common activities such as Analyze, Prepare Data, Predict, Answer, and Automations. In the Analytics Activity Center, we have a home page that lets you view your apps, scripts, charts, and notes. As the Analytics Activity Center is intended for development, we have created it here in the Create page. This provides all options for creating analytic content in Qlik Cloud. Here, we can develop applications, ML experiments, automation, data connections, and data flow. You may also upload a Qlik Sense application created from a desktop to the cloud. The Create button replaces the Add New button in the old navigation bar. Then we have the Favorites, which contain all content that has been favorited. Note that favorited contents are not shared with other users. Collections include all the contents that are grouped. Then we have the Catalog. Catalog houses the contents and spaces you have access to. This is similar to the Browse page in the Insights Activity Center. When looking for content, you can search for the name in the text box. To drill down your search, you may use the Space dropdown to search within a specific space, the types to choose a specific content type, and the owner to filter by content creator. We also have a Filter button here. Clicking the Filter button displays a left side panel containing the same filters here at the top, just presented vertically. Now let's explore the mini-homes. We have Analyze. This mini-home provides a curated selection of options for creating analytics apps and their data sources. You can create the following by either clicking the content type or by clicking Create New and selecting the content you want to create. Analytic apps, data connections, datasets, notes. Prepare Data. Prepare Data provides a curated selection of options for adding and transforming data sources. You can create the following by either clicking the content type or by clicking Create New and selecting the content you want to create. Table recipe, data flows, scripts, data connections, and data sets. Predict. Predict provides a curated selection of options for creating machine learning experiments. You can create the following by either clicking the content type or by clicking Create New and selecting the content you want to create. ML experiments, datasets. Answer. Answer provides a curated selection of options for creating Qlik answers assistants and knowledge bases. You can create the following by either clicking the content type or by clicking Create New and selecting the content you want to create. Assistants, knowledge bases, data connections, data sets. Lastly, we have automations. Automations let you view, create, and test automations. You require the Automations Creator role to create automations. In this chapter, you learned how Activity Center structured work in Qlik Cloud. You explored the Insights Activity Center for consuming analytic content. You explored the Analytics Activity Center for building and developing content. You reviewed spaces, filters, the catalog, and mini-homes. You identified where apps, data, automations, and insights were created and managed. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.